Hi, I'm Ian Ginsberg. I'm chairman of the board of Icmad, which is the Independent Cosmetic Manufacturers and Distributors. It's a trade association in the U.S. That represents small to mid-size, but size isn't really the issue. We represent independent entrepreneurs in the cosmetic and personal care industries. Everything from manufacturers, distributors, consultants, anybody who's involved in the industry at all. We're here at the USA Pavilion at Cosmoprof, Bologna. Where we represent a lot of our member companies are here. We have a booth here where we're talking to people. We also have members from around the world who join, and we help them while they're here. And the organization itself has a tremendous amount of services that we offer our members. Most important of which for this show is that we assist our members in doing business in Europe. We have a European address program with a partner, Biorius, where the dossiers are kept in Europe. We help them, comply with all the regulations. We educate them, and it's a huge help for our members to do business in Europe. We think the world is global. Business is growing worldwide, both in Europe and Asia and all over the world, and we're here to help them do that.
So how many members do you have?
The organization has about 650 to 700 members from startups, many entrepreneurial startup companies, and many very large. But the tying factor is that they're all independent entrepreneurs that started with an interesting idea and grew it to a pretty significant business. And they rely upon us to help them every step of the way, whether it's with information, regulations, both U.S. and international. We help them, even here, we help them ship their stuff in for trade shows. We're just kind of there as their, helping friend to do whatever we need to do to get them, to help them along the way.
So the question is, what is so interesting about European markets? American company found why they're here?
I think for cosmetics, it's a very large cosmetic market. It's a very large beauty market. I think our cultures, even though we're very different, our cultures are similar. So I think we perceive Europe as being an easier point of entry than is maybe Asia right off the bat. So I think it's a good starting point for people. Because again, we all share a love of beauty products, and so I think there's an opportunity for U.S. companies to bring our innovation to Europe.
I wouldn't think about Europe how it's a very easy country, because there are many different languages, the regulations are much more different than in America.
That's where Icmad helps. So the regulations are very different in Europe. Fortunately now with the European Union, some of them are, some of the regulations are consolidated. But I think, until we have globalization with all the world, there's going to be challenges everywhere. However, as our trade association, we're there to help people. So, yeah, there are language challenges, and that's something you're going to have anywhere. And regulation challenges. Listen, we learn every day, and we stay on top of the rules, and we try to help our members as best we can, navigating their way through through all the red tape.
So what are the other countries in addition, or continent, in addition to Europe, are interesting markets for United States?
Everyone knows Asia is a huge market. China is emerging, Taiwan, Korea, Japan, South America, the Middle East. The Middle East is a big fragrance, there's a big fragrance world there, a big fragrance economy. So it's a big world, and when you come to a show like this, you realize that there are, that the world is fairly large and there are opportunities everywhere. Icmad has many benefits to our members. Of course, we have the European address program. We have a great insurance liability program for most of our members. Most of our members need insurance. All of our members need insurance. We have great shipping programs within the U.S. and both internationally, and even for these trade fairs with Masterpiece International. We have a tremendous amount of educational seminars, be it webinars, be it phone-in forums, or be it large-scale educational seminars that focus on technical and regulatory aspects of the U.S., technical and regulatory internationally. We have an FDA conference where people from the FDA come and talk. We talk about all the new monographs, all the new rules and regulations going on. We educate on branding. We educate on how to get financing. All the options available to try to get financing for your business. Also, creative seminars, how to build your brand, what types of things you need, and so we're there with tools for every one of our members. And of course, we have a our booth at most of the major shows around the world, so that our members have a home to go to when they're away from home. They have a place to go if they need it. So we're there for them every step of the way.
Great, thank you.